Rina, a pure silicon has a intrinsic semiconductor of 1.5 into 10 to the power 16 per meter cubic at 300 Kelvin. A specimen of pure silicon is doped with a donor of type of impurity atoms. If the doping is done with the rate of 1 impurity atom for 10 to the power of 7 atoms of silicon, okay, calculate the conductivity of the doped silicon material at 300 Kelvin. Okay, assume that all the impurity atoms are ignored. Given that the silicon atomic weight is 28.09, the density of charge is 2.33, so electron mobility is given and the hole mobility is also given. These are the values, are given values. Write all whatever given values once again. Okay, the concentration of electron charges are intrinsic, that is 1.5 into 10 to the power of plus 16 per meter cubic, and okay, the ratio of impurity atoms at the atom, ratio of impurity atom is 10 to the power of 7, that is 10 to the power of -7 is there. The atomic weight of silicon, atomic weight of silicon is 0.9 and density of charge is 2.33 into 10 to the power of plus 3 kg per meter, and mobility of electron is given 0.014, and the mobility of holes, this electron holes is given 0.05. okay, these are the values is given. So what is the formula now? Conductivity formula is there. Directly you can apply the conductivity formula, or the number of silicon atoms per volume, unit volume, n is given by the number of silicon atom, okay, per unit volume, n is given by the relation. So this is Avogadro number, okay, Avogadro number into density d divided by, okay, divided by atomic weight. Okay, so Avogadro number is what is 6.025 into 10 to the power of 9 plus 26 is there, into density of charge is 2.33 into 10 to the power of 3 divided by, okay, atomic number is 28.09. substitute the values, so all values will get the value. What is the, you simplify this equation, you will get 5 into 10 to the power of 28, okay, atoms per meter cubic, the number of. Since there is one impurity for atoms for every 10 to the power of 7 silicon atoms, the number of free electrons volume, the electron concentration can be written as n is equal to n divided by 10 to the power of 7. n is 5 into 10 to the power of 28 divided by 10 to the power of 7. This can be written as 5 into 10 to the power of 7 means 20, okay, 1 meter cubic. Okay, this is the electron or as per the mass of action, we have Ne into Nh is equal to Ni square, formula is that, mass of action. Therefore Nh is equal to, okay, Ni square by Ne square, okay, or substitute the values otherwise. Ni square is equal to what? 1.5 into 10 to the power of 16 is there square. Ne is already we got there, 5 into 10 to the power of 21. So if you calculate, simplify, this means 4. Okay, 5 into 10 to the power of 10 you will get. The conductivity formula is what? Conductivity is n into Ne plus of, okay, Nh into u mu h. Okay, here also h means this is whole electrons. This is the formula for the conductivity. Okay, substitute these values. Charge of electron 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, okay, nu e, okay, mu is 5, okay, into 10 to the power of 21, okay, then into 0.14. substitute all values we have in the data, then simplifying this you will get 112, okay, 7 per meter square. So this is the conductivity of the material. Okay, is there time? Wait, another one will complete there. So the resistivity of intrinsic semiconductor of germanium at 27 degrees Celsius equal to, okay, resistivity is equal to, what is that, 0.47 ohms, okay, per meter. assuming the electron and hole mobility as 0.38 and 0.18. Okay, electron and the hole's mobility is this respectively. Now calculate the intrinsic carrier concentration. Write that conductivity. What is the conductivity? Resistivity. Assuming that is equal to ohms meter. Okay, resistivity is given. What is the resistivity is given? Resistivity is equal to 0.47 ohm is there. So apply the formula. What is the formula? N of I is equal to 1 divided by rho of I into E mu E plus of mu H. Okay, so substitute the values 1. So this is what point of resistivity is what 0.41. Okay, into E charge of an electron 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 into mobility is what 0.38 plus of 0.18. Okay, simplify this equation, you will get 2 3716 into 10 to the power of 19 per meter cubic. Please, only simplification is there. How you write this? You know the conductivity formula. Conductivity is equal to what? So that right, N is equal to E into this is there. So resistivity means you reverse it, or concentration is equal to, so this divided by 1 divided by this value is there. So rearrange in the term, you substitute the values, you will get this. This is the intrinsic density, carrier density for the material. Okay, drop it.